Hello everybody, and this is my pitch for water ball. Water ball is a soccer-like sports title where the player picks a team and versus against an opposing team, but the catch is the whole match is played underwater and the player can only hold their breath for so long. What does the player do though? The player controls the 7 different players on their team and attempts to score the ball with their shooters and block their own goal with the goalie. Each player has their own role and must come up for air periodically to not deplete their own health bar. What are the pertinent rules though? The rules in the game are each player has a team of 7 players, 1 goalie, 3 defenders, 1 midfielder, and 2 shooters. The team to reach 10 points first wins, but the match is only 10 minutes long, with 2 5-minute halves. Only the shooters and midfielders can shoot, and only the defenders can steal the ball, and only the goalie can block the goal. Each player can only last underwater a minute or so, and it depends on their stats, and must come up for air to regain HP when their health bar is either red or yellow. What is the player's goal? The player's goal is to win the match by either being the first to score 10 points, or when the match ends in 10 minutes time limit, the player with the highest score wins. What decisions does the player make? The player decides when to pass, shoot, or defend the ball. Also, they must decide when a character needs to come up for air so they do not lose their health. What is the antagonizing force? The antagonizing force in the game would be the opposing team you play against, being either controlled by a second player or AI characters. What is the theme of the game? The theme of the game is set in a futuristic sci-fi sports arena, where technology is a decade or so advanced and sports begins to change. What perspective is the game in? The viewing perspective will be a 3D third-person game that switches to each character's perspective as they pass the ball around. What game is this game similar to? This game is similar to FIFA or other soccer games, but with the added twist of the game being played underwater, and the players having a health bar over their head that they need to keep up by going up for air periodically. What play possibilities does this game create? This game creates the play possibilities of in-person multiplayer, online multiplayer, and playing solo against AI-controlled opponent. What are the risks in making this idea? The risks in making this game include not knowing how the physics of the ball will behave underwater, and not knowing how well the player's movement will be underwater when playing a soccer-like game. Thank you everybody for watching my pitch on water ball.